So now we discussed the force of friction. Force of friction. So force of friction is contact force. Force of friction is contact force. So in coming to the definition of the force of friction, so what is the definition of the force of friction mean? Friction is resistance to the momentum of the body over the surface of the another body. So once I am repeating. So friction is nothing but resistance. Resistance is nothing but opposing. Resistance to the momentum of the body over the surface of the another body. అంటే అపోజ్ చేస్తుంది, మోషన్లో ఉన్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని, ఒక బాడీని స్టాప్ చేస్తుంది, అపోజ్ చేస్తుంది. అలాంటి ఫోర్సెస్ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. సో ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఈజ్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అస్ అండ్ హార్మ్ఫుల్ అస్. సో సమ్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆర్ దేర్, disadvantages also there. So what are the advantages of the force of friction? We are able to walk on the floor. మనం చక్కగా ఫ్లోర్ పైన నడవగలుగుతున్నామంటే దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఓన్లీ. We are writing on the blackboard. సో బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ పైన మనం రాస్తున్నామంటే చక్కగా రాయగలుగుతుందంటే ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఓన్లీ. సపోజ్ here apply the oil on the blackboard. ఒక ప్లేస్లో ఆయిల్ని అప్లై చేసి అక్కడ రాస్తుందా, రాయగలుగుతుందా? సో అక్షరాలు అనేవి కనబడవు. సో ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఈజ్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ సర్ఫేస్. వన్ ఈజ్ స్మూత్ సర్ఫేస్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ రఫ్ సర్ఫేస్. సో ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ స్మూత్ surface frictionless. So more friction in case of rough surface. If friction is more, then we are able to write on the blackboard. So the blackboard, you see the blackboard is a rough in nature. Wall rough. So smooth is became less friction. So less friction is nothing but you consider as that there is no friction. So in rainy season what will happen? So in muddy water, so బురదగా ఉన్న ప్లేస్లో ఏమవుతా ఉంటే జారుతూ ఉంటాం. సో ఎందుకు జారుతాం? సో ఇన్ రైనీ సీజన్ mud water it has a less friction. So during rainy season the road became wetగా ఉంటుంది రోడ్. సో బ్రేక్స్ సడన్గా వేసామనుకోండి అది జారుకుంటా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద డిసడ్వాంటేజ్? దెర్ ఈస్ నో ఫ్రిక్షన్, ద యాక్సిడెంట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్. కాంట్ వాక్ ఆన్ ద ఫ్లోర్, అనేబుల్ టు రైట్ ఆన్ ద బోర్డ్. సో సే సార్ నో, దెర్ ఈస్ నో ఫ్రిక్షన్. సో ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఈజ్ హెల్ప్ వాకింగ్, ఆన్ రైటింగ్ ఆన్ ద బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్, ఆన్ వర్కింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద మెషిన్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో అడ్వాంటేజ్ అండ్ డిసడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ద friction. So once I am repeating, so note down the point. Friction is resistance to the momentum of the body to the surface of the over the surface of the another body is called as friction. So friction is a contact force. Friction is contact force. Do you understand? Say yes or no. So take for example, you see pedaling of the bicycle and take ball and roll on the surface of the floor. So after some time what will happen? The ball will stop. If you stop the pedaling of your bicycle, so bicycle speed also gradually what will happen? Gradually decrease. So what happening? Why does the speed of the bicycle reduce? So pedaling చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు, you stop the pedaling of the bicycle, so what will happen? The speed of the bicycle gradually decrease. Why does the speed of the bicycle decrease? What force act on the bicycle? So here in between the tire and surface of the floor, both are contacting each other. So in between two contact, the force of friction will act. You observe, my dear, lorries and buses, it has tire, no? On the tire, it has grooves. Groove. God unde. Slipper also grooves unde. So and sports shoes also has grooves. These grooves provide the grip while running, while walking, while moving the vehicles. So these are the friction. And next one is force or distance. In force or distance, electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. So, in coming to the definition of the electrostatic force, the force exerted by the charged body on over the another charged body is called as electrostatic force. Once again I am repeating, electrostatic force is defined as an electrostatic force exerted by charged body over the another charged body is called as electrostatic force. I am giving example for electrostatic force. Take a comb and rub against on the hair పైన ఇలా కూమ్ తీసుకొని ఇలా ఏదర్ కూమ్ ఆర్ పెన్ డ్రింకింగ్ జ్యూస్ స్ట్రా సో తీసుకొని హెయిర్ పైన ఇలా రబ్ చేయండి. సో ఆఫ్టర్ రబ్బింగ్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్, ఏదర్ కూమ్ ఆర్ పెన్ స్ట్రా వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్ ఇస్ గెట్ చార్జ్ డెవలప్ అవుతుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ ద చార్జ్ దిస్ కూమ్ బ్రింగ్ నియర్ టు ద piece of paper. So immediately when the comb bring near to the piece of paper attract toward the comb. So this forces is called as electrostatic force. So same like this, a straw, you can take straw. Simple. You rub the against each other, your palm. You rub like this. So what do you observe? Generation of heat, no? This generation of heat developed by the opposite charge. Charge produce అవుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే హీట్ అనేది జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఎవిడెన్స్ ఫర్ ద జనరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద చార్జ్. సో ఎలక్ట్రోస్టాటిక్ ఫోర్స్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద ఫోర్స్ exerted by the charged body on over the another charged body is called as electrostatic force. So yes or no? And next force or distance, gravitational force. Gravitational force is nothing but attraction force toward the earth is called as gravitational force. Next one is magnetic force. So magnetic force is nothing but the magnet will attract another magnet or repel the another magnet. Say yes or no? This type of force without contact. The type of force is called as magnetic force. And magnetic force properties are there. Magnet will attract or repel. Magnet, it has the directive property. Magnet, it has the pole. What are the poles? North poles and the south pole. Say yes or no? These are the force at distance. Force at distance. And next one is net force. Net force. Symbol is F net. F force N net. So what is net force? Net force is called as the algebraic sum of all the force is called as net force. The algebraic sum. Algebraic sum of all the force. The algebraic sum of all the force acting on the body is called as net force. Okay. What are all the force you know? F, G, gravitational force, Fn normal force, Ff frictional force, Fa applied force. Fa applied force. Once I am repeating: gravitational force, normal force, frictional force, and applied force. See, the net force acting in two directions. One is horizontal direction. Horizontal is nothing but x-axis. X-axis. Vertical nothing but y-axis. Vertical line. Suppose the body or pointer O or point O, the body is there. The person is standing on the point O. So this is the downward direction, no? And this is the upward direction. Downward direction, upward direction. So in downward direction, which type of force is acting in downward direction is Fg, gravitational force. The gravitational force always act in downward direction. Simply we can say that what is the direction of gravitational force is, the direction of gravitational force is downward direction. So in opposite to the gravitational force, in upward, so I am giving symbol here, the upward direction. See here, this upward direction normal force. Upward direction normal force Fn. The person is walking. Walking means applied force. Where applied means when you are applying the force, applied force produced by the muscular force. So here applied, Fa, applied. When you are moving the hands and legs, definitely you are moved. Applied force in forward direction. In opposite to the applied force, the frictional force is there. Frictional force. See the direction. Always applied force and frictional force opposite to the each other. ఎప్పుడు అవి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్లోనే ఉంటాయి. And normal force and gravitational force are opposite direction to the each other or opposite to the each other. Very important, my dear. Once I am repeating, in a horizontal line, two forces will act. In vertical line, two forces will act. What are the two forces in vertical line? Normal force as well as gravitational force. Normal force, gravitational force. See, opposite to the each other. Opposite to the each other. Suppose the object is at rest. Another item I am giving. See here. So hang a stone with the help of a stone with help of string. So there is no motion of stone here. The position of stone is constant. Okay. So what are the force act on the stone? In downward direction, gravitational force will act. Fg. In upward direction, tension, no? Tension is equal to Fn, normal force. Now here normal force is equal to gravitational force. When the normal force and gravitational force is equal, listen carefully, note down everyone. When in case of normal force and gravitational force is equal, the object said to be at rest. The object said to be rest. Do you understand? When the normal force and gravitational force are equal, the object said to be Fn is equal to Fg is equal to at rest. Object is rest. Suppose Fn, the normal force is greater than gravitational force. What will happen? Object goes up, move upward direction. goes up, upward. If gravitational force is greater than normal force, the object fall down, downward direction. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Suppose here, this is in condition of the vertical. Suppose Fa applied force. What is here? Fa applied force. What is the direction of applied force? Forward direction. Suppose frictional backward direction. The frictional force is backward direction. So here applied force is equal to frictional force. The object said to be at rest. The object said to be rest. Suppose applied force is greater than frictional force. The applied force is greater than frictional force. Object move forward. Object move in forward direction. If frictional force is greater than applied force. The frictional force is greater than applied force. So what will happen? Object at rest only. Object at rest. So what is the net force here? What is the net force here? The algebraic sum of all the force acting on the body is called as net force. All the force I am saying here, all the force is nothing but either four force: normal force, gravitational force, applied force, and frictional force. See why we are calling as sum of algebraic sum here. So look at I am giving one example here. So while looking, everyone note down. See object or the vehicle. Consider the vehicle. Okay. See here. Okay. Moving on the road. Vehicle is going forward direction. Applied force. Fa is the applied force. The applied force is exerted by the engine. Engine ద్వారా exerted force అని వస్తుంది. So opposite direction ఏముంటుంది? Opposite direction definitely frictional force. Definitely frictional force. When the applied force is opposite direction, forward direction, in opposite to the applied force is frictional force. And in downward, Ft, gravitational force. In upward, Fn, normal force. So now I am representing four force on the body. Now we simply can say that FBD. F is nothing but free body diagram. Free body diagram. What is the free body diagram? All the force acting on the body is called as free body diagram. So draw the free body diagram of the person, and what are the force act on the body. So what are the force act on the body and to the person? See, simple free body diagram: upward force, downward force, and applied force, and then frictional force. Very important, my dear, 4-mark question. This is a free body diagram and four force act on the body. So now one more example I am giving. Draw the free body diagram of when the object is sliding on the inclined place. When the object is sliding on the inclined plane. So draw the free body diagram. So what want you do? See here, you want to draw the inclined plane, an object. Keep the object on the inclined plane and draw the number of the types of the force here. See, inclined body, inclined plane, and here object object is nothing but keep the book. What are the force will act on the body? So when the book is keeping on the inclined plane, definitely is fall down, moving downward direction. So moving downward means, so applied force only, no? Due to applied force only the object move in forward direction. Applied force, opposite to the applied force, definitely frictional force. Frictional force. The inclined plane giving support to the book, normal force, Fn. Downward, gravitational force. Force are acting on the body or not? See here, my dear. On the step, stick. A stick placed on the step. This is a stick. Stick on the step. How many force act on the stick? Stick is at rest. So normal force Fn and gravitational force downward direction. So this is a free body diagram. You are traveling in the bus. What are the force act on you? Any force may be act someday. Definitely the bus giving support to you, normal force due to gravitational force only. So gravitational force act downward direction, applied force and frictional force. Say yes or no? Four force will act. So this is a free body diagram. So draw the free body diagram, the table on the book. So you want to draw the table and keep the book on the table and draw the four forces. So normal force, gravitational force, applied force and frictional force. So applied force helps the object when in case of motion of the object. So frictional force, what will happen? Is oppose the motion of the object. So normal force gives the support to the object. So gravitational force, what will happen? Gravitational force give always attract toward the earth. So four forces. Okay, here how to calculate net force here? Okay, how to calculate net force? How to calculate net force? So here the wooden box on the floor is the big wooden box. So to here we are applying 15 Newton force on dragging. By using 15 Newton of the force, I am pulling like this in this direction. And in between the two surface wooden box and surface earth, 30 Newton of FF frictional force will act. See, I am showing direction, opposite direction, both are opposite direction. East, west direction, two are opposite direction. So what you want to do is, so direction are opposite. If direction are opposite, simply we want to do F net is equal big value FA minus FF. Suppose the arrow are opposite, do the subtraction. So applied force 50 and 30. 50 minus 30 is equal to 20 newtons are the net force. 20 newtons are the net force. So I am giving one more example. Object, see here, the wooden box on the floor and arrow 50 Newton and 20 Newton. Calculate the F net force. You want to calculate the net force. How you want to calculate net force? See the direction. This is forward direction. This is also forward direction. Arrow marks, both arrow marks are in same direction. If same direction means simply you do addition here. So let us take F1. This one is F2. So is equal to F1 plus F2. So what about F1? 50 plus 20 is equal to 70 is the net force. And next, another example, wooden box. Keep the wooden box on the floor, and horizontal as well as vertical and horizontal position. So in this 50 Newton and here 100 Newton and 50 Newton and here 50 Newton. So arrow marks are opposite. So 4 forces are given. So one is vertical line, another one is horizontal line. So what you want to do is simply calculate first net force on horizontal axis. Horizontal axis పైన net force కనుక్కోవాలి. So net force F net is equal horizontal, that is F1 and F2. So here F1 minus F2, so 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. Next, F net on that is vertical line. Vertical line. So what you want to do? So big value take F1, small value take F2. So F1 minus F2. Why are taking here minus subtraction? So both are opposite direction. All are opposite. One is upward, second one is downward direction. That's why you can take F1 minus F2. 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. Okay. So these are the net forces.